Hello, everyone! We're here for the daily safety check.
Safety check just means more waiting.
Cones are like a warning. Be careful! Don't come here!
Cones are just in the way. They slow us down.
Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone. Now we can finally get some REAL work done. And fast.
Going all the way around will take forever!
There! Path is clear.
Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut.
Whoa! I'm stuck! Oh no! Micky! Stop spinning your wheels! I can't reach you. This is all my fault.
Jin! Jin! Help! Micky is stuck! Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue!
Bruner! What happened to the safety cones?
Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Ooh, it's hardening fast. Viscosity is increasing. It's turning into a solid.
Micky. Gotcha, Micky! Hold on tight! Hold on tight!
Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too!
Traction is the grip your tires need to pull.
I can do it! I'll help! Get still!
Coming in, Roy! Get ready!
Perfect, Helly!
Activating! Stabilizer jacks! It's all about support, spreading the weight out. Mega winch! P-U-L! I'm moving! I'm moving! Moving! He's free! You did it, Roy!
I'm sorry. I thought I was being fast, but I made a mess.
Safety rules are there to protect you and your friends.
His backup alarm is broken! He can't see the wall!
I've got it!
What?
Nice! Wow!
We have to secure the wall!
No, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse!
Engineering! We need to build buttresses!
A little to the left, Bruner. Perfect! It's stable. Great job, Bruner.
An important safety sound must be fixed right away.
Safety first!
Bye-bye! Thanks for saving me! Whoops!
Don't worry, Micky. I know how to get you out.
Whee! It tickles!
Viscosity makes concrete thick. It's science. Traction pads give your wheels the grip they need.
Engineering can solve any problem.
Never play on a construction site.
Always obey the signs. Thanks for joining us. Be safe out there. See you next time, heroes.